past it already. When we coming back to the picture. Cooking gas. You know any back here? No, you don't know where your father will be up to, eh? When you think your father home, he all in the backyard.
What is it now? I don't know.
Down the hill, darling, I left my phone out. Where this place is? Darling.
You asking me? I don't know.
Not somewhere in the back of this place. A church, darling.
There's a house.
There's a big house in the back of it. Good day, darling.
This is where we're going. Easy, na man. Oh God.
Man, drop down and say that tick there, all that tick belongs to me.
Easy, easy.
No mask, no gloves, and wash it. Give me some direction.
Yeah, let's come back.
Before I go down in that bank there.
He seems to have a thing for Land Rovers.
Be donkey.
What donkey?
You know a donkey tie up somewhere here. Look nice, doggy here.
Wait. So he going and loading the wood in the brand new car. If anybody have any little old van to sell, please let me know. Shall we take off the seat? My word. I missed all the loading parts because I had to help. Go. Coming.
You're going to tongue on this thing, you're going on show everybody what you're doing?
Yeah. I feel like too much, Daddy, now.
No.
Come, are you going to put the jail? Listen, if I don't know any old van for sale, a panel van, it could be a normal van, any kind of 4x4, anything old. Oh God, I'll reach out to me, please. Thank you. My God. Hey! all this. Uh-huh. Daddy, hey!
Nej, you do nothing, you do nothing. You father, all the time you're free calling.
Oh, oh, okay, okay. Oh.
Sit down and let me go.
Yeah, you could walk your plan, okay, how much is one add-on?
Yeah.
The rest of the item,
Oh, you have another one?
Right, cool. And thanks,
yeah.
Take care.
You go buy get to me.
Yeah, the donkey girl on it.
She's a nice day.
Yeah. All right, thanks.
I think she put it on the car one time.
She will come back to see the donkey. I will bring she back to see the donkey.
Take care.
What you doing there, boy?
Whew. Me on a wood dropping on my head and thing, yeah? So take your time. Yeah, take your time. Take your time. If Daddy take your time before you sing rock back, yeah? On the glass now. It's kind of flicking mad thing. Oh, yeah. You could have used my car to do this, man. Take your time. We have arrived safely at home.
We have arrived safely with this wood.
Oh, we're in the elf workshop here.
Any love thing here, boy?
Yeah, but what if it rains?
Yeah, let it take some rain and sun.
What happened? Look at your mouth. Oh, you're looking dirty down the hill here. Come.
I rain so they could walk up here. So we know how I walk in.
Okay, that's a wrap.
Michelle?
For the tubers. So for people to see what it is we doing now.
You wouldn't buy one for me?
Daddy, what kind of cake is this? A cherry cake? Did you put coloring in it or is just a cherry?
No coloring.
The cherries are get that color.
Cherry juice.
Alright. Come on.
Make it look good.
That okay.
She said make it look good.
Hey.
I don't like to leave it on this rock.
Oh, you stick up.
Yeah.
Hey, you for your busted boy?
Stick up on the rock.
Alright.
And?
Nice.
What's my turning business now? Check it now. Check it out really easy. All I need one in this, I'm selling one is $500 a turning wheel. So when you make all your cake, you could turn it like that. Eh? Nice. Nicer ladies, what's good? What's good, you see? You need this wheel.
This is the man earlier. This man selling $500 a cake. You can't turn that on. Nice cake. You see that? That pure beauty.
Try turn that pot there. Right, hold your handle and take the spoon and turn it.
There we go. It is.
Come on, not turn the pot. Yeah, when I said that, I meant to turn the stuff inside the pot.
The cement you're working with her.
I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that, Mama. You do it.
Say properly. I can't do it. I can't.
You want more neatening than this?
Okay, good.
And it done.
Well, that looks nice. Nice.
Better than Natasha. We want. You ready for jigs?
Mom?
I think that is it, yes?
Mom?
Ladies. Them ladies can comment.
I'm drinking a little bit of the milk, okay?
You drink now, man.
I drinking.
Ivan McTen, what are you doing there? Hey, what happened to you? Oi.
What's the name of my piping bag?
No. Ivor.
Papa? Papa? Papa?
Alright.
I wait $1 in a piping bag.
Piping bag, nothing, right?
Yeah, we gotta make a little decoration and eat up, man.
I see. Now your big hand and all the vein in your hand. Nice.
Oh, shucks, you putting cherries on that? Now I can't eat that, but...
Why?
Because I don't like cherries. I don't like that thing.
Well, you could always
Remove it.
remove it now. I find it looking nice, a little decoration. We
Yeah, but
put one in the middle and let we leave. Are we done with that? What do you think? Let me
It's
clean
not
it up.
entirely in the middle, right?
Oh God. Let me clean it up now. Right, ladies, all you gotta leave this cake in the fridge because the icing, this is not icing. This is cream cheese. And
Icing, not icing.
it will melt away, ladies. So let me just tie it up. And it will look like balls.
You see? And get the cake, eh? Wait. You push the cake rocking up.
Pick a cherry now.
Those are the cherries left over from the ice cream.
You know it, you know.
I get the center of the cake, right?
Oh gosh. I'm gonna zoom in on that cake there.
You proud of the cake, you know?
I thought this cake is 2 layers. Oh, yeah. What the top thing down there?
Come now, use your mirror and I can see. Alone? I mean, so much?
She feeding himself on the cake.
You hold this.
Look how hole there. I can see it down here, but showing back inside.
Eh? Easy now, boy. Oh, you have a cat. Daddy, how to open this gate? Maybe I will touch it.